Hey guys, it's Ruthie with another project that I made, and I'm constantly making these, but I really love this one, so I'm probably going to keep it for a while. But this is my cell phone holder, and I use it like a little purse. I just grab it right here and I just take it places. And Clay and I are on the way to pick up a few things at Walmart, and I'll just stick my phone in here and I can just carry it around like a little purse. And if it rings, it's real easy to get out. But we don't buy holders and things like that for our devices because I usually just make something because we're home most of the time, and that way I can get more devices, right? And this works great for me, actually. I just love it. And I've been, like I said, I've been making these for a while. And if I get like one that I retire or whatever, I'll just stick this like on a door handle, and I put like little Bible verses in it. And if I'm in that room cleaning, I'll just grab out a Bible verse and study that verse while I'm in there cleaning. So there you go, little phone case. I think this one's just single crocheted, I think, and some yarn that's like, oh, what is it? Like glittery a little bit. Doesn't really show up that good here, but there you go, cell phone case. But guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.